Yo, what's up guys? Playing the Forge. I'm in the secret way. Most of you guys must have known this because you can get this off this. And ta-da! I also helped my friend Bob. Joke is my best friend. He is my very best friend with Max, and we play, but I cannot talk to Max anymore because of the age check verifications. So I'll be AFK. Tara! So bye.